Now let's do this very, very quickly. Number one, the universal set U and its subsets A and B are described as U which has elements X such that 20 is less than X and X is less than 35. The universal set U and its subsets A and B are described as U with elements X such that 20 is less than X and X is less than 35. A which has elements which are even numbers, and B which has elements B whose elements are prime numbers. Now question A says describe the set C whose elements are 21, 25, 21, 25, 27 and 33 in terms of A and B. Now what do we do? What's the relationship between the set C and the sets A and B? First of all, let me write all the elements of a universal set. That's 20 less than X less than 35. That means 20 and 35 are not included, and that will be 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Now, that's a universal set. What are the elements of a set A? Set A, the elements of set A has elements. Those are the even numbers between 20 and 35. That will be 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, and 34. That's the set A. Now the set B has elements. The elements of the set B are the prime numbers between 20 and 35, and that will be 23, 29, and 31. That's the set B. Now, what's the relationship between the set C and the set C and the sets A and B? Let's see. Let me find A union B. To find A union B, just write all the elements of A first. 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, and 34. And now you write the elements of B that are not already in A. And those are 23, 29, it's even all of them. All the elements of B, and none of the elements of B is in A. So to combine A and B, just write all the elements of A and all the elements of B. Now, that's A union B. Now, what's the relationship between the union B and the set C? Let me write the set C. Where's the set C? I have that somewhere here. Now, this is the set C. Let me put it under it, under A and under A union B. This is the set C. And I can see that the set C, let me put the 33 here. 33. This is the set C. So I can see that the things that are not in A union B are the ones that are in the set C. So that means set C is the same as the complement of A union B. That means set C equals A union B complement. And that's the description of the set C in terms of A and B. Yeah, that's correct. Now to question B. Question B says find the complement of A union B. That's a piece of cake. The complement of A union B is the set C, and that's equal to, that's the set, the complement of A union B is the set C, and that's the set which has elements 21, 25, 21, 25, 27, and 33. 21, 25, 27, and 33. That's the set, that's the complement of a set A union B. 21, 25, 27, and 33. And that's it. Very, very now simple. Straight to the next, which is number 2. Number 2A. In a community of 160 people, 70 people have cars, 82 have motorcycles, and 88 have bicycles. Let me just draw the Venn diagram immediately. Draw a Venn diagram to show that. Now, this is the universal set which represents the community cars. I think I have to really find a way to make sure that the diagram contains all the things I would want to write inside it or write on it here. Okay, let this be the set. Now 20 have, okay, let me go back again. In a community of 160, that means the universal set has 160 elements. So widen that a little. The number of elements in the universal set, which I'm going to write this way, is 160. Now, the number of elements in the universal set is 160. That means the cardinality of the universal set is 160. Now, 70 people have cars. Let me use C for cars. 70 people. That means the cardinality of the set C is 70. And 82 have motorcycles. Let M represent the set of people who have motorcycles, and that's 82. The number of elements in the set M is equal to 82. Is equal to 82. And let B be the set of people who have who have bicycles. So the number of elements in the set B is 20. No. The number of elements in the set B, 70 people have cars, 82 have motorcycles, and 88 have bicycles. So the number of elements in the set B, which represents number of people who have bicycles, will be 88. Now 20 have both cars and motorcycles. That's the set C intersection M, which is 20. And that's the whole of this place. Cars and motorcycles is the whole of this. It's a combination of those who have cars and motorcycles only, and those who have all the 3 vehicles: cars, motorcycles, and bicycles. Now 25 have both cars and bicycles. C intersection B, the number of elements in the set C intersection B is 25. That's the whole of his cars and bicycles here, which is a combination of cars and bicycles only and cars, motorcycles, and bicycles. What else? 42 have both motorcycles and bicycles. Number of elements in the set M intersection B is 42. That's the whole of this. The whole of this, which is a combination of those that have all the 3 vehicles: cars, motorcycles, and bicycles, and those that have only motorcycles and bicycles. So if they say motorcycles and bicycles, it means a combination of those who have all the 3 and those who have only cars and motorcycles, and only motorcycles and bicycles. Now the next is each person. Okay, we read further. Each person rides at least any one of the vehicles. So there was nobody who didn't have at least one of the vehicles. Now draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the information. We already have that. Now to question B. Find the number of people that have both cars and bicycles but not motorcycles. Cars and bicycles but not motorcycles. That will be this. The number of people that will be in this set. This set is the set of people who have only cars and bicycles. So cars and bicycles but not motorcycles is the same as cars and bicycles only. But if I just say cars and bicycles, it will be the whole of this, which will include some people who also have motorcycles. But now I said those who have cars and bicycles but not motorcycles. That will be cars and bicycles only, which is the people inside this set. And how do we go about that? we already know that the whole of these cars and bicycles is 25. If the whole of that is 25, then this, okay, I'm going to go this way. Let me go this way. Let the number of people who have all the three vehicles, cars, motorcycles, and bicycles, be X. Yes, that's X. Now, if that's X, I think I want to redraw my diagram. Yeah, let me draw that. Redraw a diagram so that I can represent all of the parts in it easily. So this is a universal set. This is a universal set, and the universal set has 160 elements in it. The cardinality of the universal set is 160. Now this is the set of people who have cars, and there are 70 elements in it. Set of people who have motorcycles, and it has 82 elements in it, because 82 people have motorcycles. While this is a set of people who have bicycles, and it has 88 elements in it, because 88 people have bicycles. Let me check to be sure. Yeah, that's correct. 88 people have bicycles. Now, the whole of this represents the number of people who have cars and bicycles, and that is cars and bicycles. C intersection B is 25, and they want us to find the number of people that have both cars and bicycles but not motorcycles. So that's this place, the number of elements in this set. So if this is X, I already said X is a set of people who have all the three vehicles, cars, motorcycles, and bicycles, which is this place. So if this is X, and I know that the whole of this is 25, that means this alone will be 25 minus X. Now I know that motorcycles and bicycles, which is the whole of this, is 42. So that means motorcycles and bicycles only will be 42 minus X. It's always good to represent all of the parts in the Venn diagram before you start answering the questions. It makes it a lot easier. Now, cars and bicycles, number of people who have cars and bicycles will be everybody inside this set, and that's 25. That's 25. So the number of people who have only cars and bicycles will be the people inside this set, and that will be 25 minus X. So that means the number of elements here is, this part is 25 minus X. If I say this part, I mean the number of elements in that set is 25 minus X. Now, this will be those who have only cars, those who have only motorcycles, and this will be those who have only bicycles. So let's see. I want to find the number of people who have both cars and bicycles but not motorcycles. Now, how do I find? Let me call this place A, and this B, this C. Okay, how do I find A? They've said all of them have at least one of the vehicles, so there will be nothing outside the three circles inside the rectangle. That would have been the number of elements in the set A union B, in the set C, cars, union M for motorcycles, union B for bicycles, and it's going to be the complement of the whole of them. So the set of elements in the number of elements in the set C union M union B all complement is the number of people, represents the number of people who don't have any one of the vehicles, but they have said there was nobody who didn't have at least one of the vehicles. So that means that set is empty. Now, so we now go straight to the next. Let me find A plus 25 minus X, A plus 25 minus X, A plus 25 minus X plus 25 minus x equals 70. I've just added everything inside the set, inside the circle that represents number of people who have cars together, just to find a. So minus x plus x equals 0, and that means a plus 25 plus 25 is 50. A plus 50 minus x equals 70, which means a equals 70 minus 50 plus x. If you move 50 and minus x to the right hand side, 50 will become minus 50 and minus x will become plus x, and that simply means 20 plus x. So it means that the number of people here, okay, let me even go that way, let me leave it that way. Now how do I find b? B plus 25 minus x plus x plus 42 minus x will also give us 42. That's the number of elements in the set M. So b plus 25 minus x, b plus 25 minus x plus 42 minus x equals 82, and that simply means minus x plus x is 0, and that means b plus 25 plus 42 is 67 minus x equals 82, and that simply means this is b, and that means b equals 82 minus 67 plus x, which means 82 minus 67 is what? That's 67 plus 13 is 80, and that's 15. So that means b equals 15. B equals 15 plus x. Now I want to find c. C plus 25 minus x plus 42 minus x will be equal to 88. That's the number of elements in the set B. C plus 25 minus x, c plus 25 minus x plus 42 minus x. Oh, sorry about that. Plus 42 minus x plus 42 minus x equals 88. And that simply means minus x plus x is 0. 25 plus 42 is 67. So that means c plus 67 minus x equals 88, which means c equals 88 minus 67 plus x, and that's the same as, that means c equals 88 minus 67. That, I think I can just check that. 88 minus 67, and that's 21 plus x. Now we have found all of the things inside all of the parts inside the Venn diagram. Now we can answer the question. The question is actually find the number of people that have both cars and bicycles but not motorcycles. So I need to know x. That's the number of people that have both cars and bicycles but not motorcycles is represented by 25 minus x, but I need to know which is this part. But I need to know x to be able to do that. So how do I now find x? If I add everything together, a plus 25 minus x plus 25 minus x plus b plus 42 minus x plus c will be equal to 160, and that's what I'm going to do to find x. So let's go. To do that, add everything inside the first circle together and then write the ones outside, b, 42 minus x and c, and then you equate to 160 so that you don't write any of the numbers twice. So a plus 25 minus x plus 25 minus x, a plus 25 minus x plus I'm adding everything inside the circle c together first, plus another 25 minus x plus another 25 minus x plus, now I'll add b 42 minus x and c to that to equate to 160. So plus b plus 42 minus x plus c plus b plus 42 minus x plus c equals 160. And what does that mean? Minus x cancels plus x. What else? Okay, and I know that a is the same as, okay, before I even start casting out, let me write a. What is a? A is 20 plus x. So this simply means 20 plus x plus 25 minus x plus x plus another 25 minus x plus b. What is b? B is 15 plus x plus 15 plus x plus 42 minus x. After b is 42 minus x plus c. What is c? 21 plus x plus 21 plus x equals 160. Now we can start cancelling out the ones that will cancel out. X minus x is 0, plus x minus x is 0, plus x minus x is 0. Now the numbers, let's add the numbers. That will be 20 plus 25 plus another 25 plus 15 plus 42 plus 21. That's 148. Let me do that again to be sure I didn't make any mistake. 20 plus 25 plus another 25 plus 15 plus 42 plus 21, and that's 148. That's correct. So that means 148 and that's what I'm only left with x. 148 plus x equals 160, which means x equals 160 minus 148. 160 minus 148, which means x equals 12. That means x equals 12. Therefore, number of people who have cars and bicycles but not motorcycles. Therefore, cars and bicycles, I'm just going to write it this way: cars and bicycles but not motorcycles. Cars and bicycles but not motorcycles. That means the number of people who have cars and bicycles but not motorcycles is equal to 25 minus x, which is this part. That's what this part represents: cars and bicycles but not motorcycles. 25 minus x, and that's 25 minus 12, which is equal to 13. Now to b. What's question b? Okay, c rather. A was representing the information here in a Venn diagram. Drawing the Venn diagram to illustrate the information. Now see how many people have only one of the three vehicles. The people who have only one of the three vehicles are the people who have only cars, which is A, only motorcycles, which is B, and only bicycles, which is C. So the number of people who have only one of the three vehicles will be A plus B plus C. So only one. I'm writing only one to mean the number of people who have only one of the three vehicles. Only one of the three vehicles equals A plus B plus C. And that's what's A. Let's go to that. A is 20 plus x, B is 15 plus x. A is 20 plus x. Let me write that first. A is 20 plus x plus B, which is 15 plus x, plus C, which is 21 plus x. Let me check B and be sure here. 15 plus x, and C is 21 plus x plus 21 plus x. And that's simply the same as 20 plus 15 is 35 plus 21 is 56 plus x plus x plus x is 3x, and that simply means 56 plus 3 times 12. X is 12. Yeah, x is 12. So, and that's the same as 56 plus 36, which is 92. Is that correct? 36 plus 56. Yes, that's 92. And that answers the questions very, very simply. And that's, the whole of it. All right. And that's going to be it. I hope you all got that. Thank you very much. And I'll see you in the next. Bye-bye.